Can a simple gear shift knob truly transform your driving experience? This one claims to, and honestly, it might just surprise you. We're looking at a gear shift knob and boot kit specifically designed for the Seat Leon MK2, covering model years from 2005 all the way up to 2012. Now, the listing mentions both red and black options, and 5 and 6 speed versions, so make sure you grab the right one for your specific car. The first thing you notice is the feel. It's ergonomically crafted, and that smooth, precision-engineered design really does make a difference. Shifting gears feels more effortless, and the grip is just comfortable, especially on those longer drives. It's made from what they describe as durable, high-quality PU and ABS materials, which is good to hear because it means it should resist wear and tear from daily use. And that sleek finish. It definitely elevates the interior, blending that much-needed functionality with a touch of stylish aesthetics. Beyond just looking good, the engineering here is focused on responsive performance. It aims for crisp, accurate gear changes, which can genuinely enhance your driving control. It's surprisingly lightweight yet feels sturdy, which is a nice combination. The idea is that it reduces fatigue during frequent shifting, and while it's marketed as universal, the specific fit for the Leon MK2 is the key here. The non-slip surface and ergonomic contour really do give you confidence every time you reach for the gear stick. Upgrading your driving experience doesn't always mean big, expensive modifications. This shift knob is a prime example of how a small change can make a big impact. It's made from premium, scratch-resistant materials, so it should stand up to the rigors of daily use. The ergonomic shape is clearly designed for optimal hand placement, which sounds like a small detail, but it contributes to that overall comfortable feel. Installation is described as easy, and it's designed to fit without modification, using an included adapter. It's a hassle-free upgrade that merges practicality with a modern flair. The mechanism itself feels smooth operating, leading to those seamless gear shifts. The soft-touch, non-slip grip is a definite plus, reducing strain on your hand. And the robust construction suggests long-lasting reliability. It's got a sleek, timeless design that should complement most interiors, making it a functional accessory that enhances both performance and visual appeal. So the verdict. For Seat Leon MK2 owners looking for a comfortable, stylish, and functional upgrade to their gear shift, this kit seems like a solid choice. It delivers on its promise of a better feel and improved shifting experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.